see. Soap get washed. And then we went to the water. I videoed part of it. And on accident pressed the button, so I'm going to start it over. But she's going to wash and then soap it a bit again. So you can wash it as much as times as you want. So, just enjoy this video. And it's called Funny People Washing Cars. Or it's nice people washing their cars with kids in the car. I'm getting bored. Yeah. Sorry about the noise. It's okay. I guess it's squeaky things. You can see she's